Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best HP Envy 5660 printer-related products that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the HP 62 Black Ink Cartridge, a budget-friendly solution for anyone using HP Envy series printers like the 5600 or OfficeJet models. This cartridge delivers a yield of approximately 200 pages, making it ideal for light home or office use. One standout feature is its eligibility for HP Instant Ink, which ensures you'll never run out of ink by subscribing to a delivery service. Plus, 88% of the cartridge components are made from recycled content, giving it an eco-friendly edge. In terms of design, the cartridge is compact and lightweight, weighing only 1.44 ounces. Installation is straightforward, and its compatibility with a wide range of HP printers makes it highly versatile. The hybrid ink base ensures crisp black prints with up to 2 times more output compared to non-OEM options. However, it's important to note that this is strictly a single cartridge product, so you'll need to pair it with a color option for full color printing. If you're looking for reliable performance at a very low price point, this cartridge is a great pick. However, the relatively limited page yield and lack of advanced features make it best suited for occasional printing needs rather than heavy-duty tasks. At number 4, we have the HP Envy 6155E wireless all-in-one printer, a solid option for home users looking for an affordable yet functional device. It supports key features like color printing, scanning, and copying, along with duplex printing for efficiency. With a print speed of up to 10 pages per minute in black and 7 pages per minute in color, it's suitable for everyday documents and borderless photo printing. Plus, it comes with 3 months of HP Instant Ink to get you started. Design-wise, this printer is compact and lightweight, weighing just over 11 pounds. It sports a minimalistic white finish and includes a 2.4-inch intuitive touchscreen for easy navigation. The dual-band Wi-Fi ensures stable connectivity, while compatibility with mobile devices like smartphones and PCs enhances usability. However, the maximum color resolution is slightly lower than higher-tier models, which may impact photo quality. The Envy 6155E is a great pick for families or students who require basic functionality without spending too much. However, the absence of a published price and slightly lower performance metrics compared to other models on this list may make it less appealing for users with greater demands. Coming in at number 3 is the HP Envy 6555E wireless all-in-one printer, a versatile device designed for busy homes and small offices. This model offers excellent functionality with features like color printing, scanning, copying, and duplex printing. It also includes a 35-sheet auto document feeder and 100-sheet input tray for higher volume tasks. Print speeds reach up to 10 pages per minute in black and 7 pages per minute in color, making it well-suited for homework assignments or everyday document printing. Its design is sleek yet sturdy, with a 2.4-inch touchscreen that simplifies operation. The dual-band Wi-Fi provides reliable connectivity, while HP's proprietary P3 technology ensures vibrant prints that look true to screen. The eco-conscious construction includes 60% post-consumer recycled plastic, aligning with HP's sustainability goals. However, its slightly slower print speeds and higher price tag compared to lower-ranked models may be a drawback for some users. With a competitive price and a wide range of features, the Envy 6555E strikes a great balance between affordability and performance. It's perfect for users who need a reliable all-in-one option without stepping up to premium models. At number 2, we have the HP Envy Inspire 7955E, a premium mid-range printer designed for families and creative professionals. Its standout feature is the ability to print high-quality borderless photos in multiple sizes, including square and panoramic formats. With print speeds of up to 15 pages per minute in black and 10 pages per minute in color, it handles both documents and photos with ease. The 3-month instant ink trial and HP Plus Smart features add value, ensuring ink delivery and advanced mobile printing options. This model is built with aesthetics in mind, sporting a sleek white finish and a spacious 2.7-inch touchscreen for effortless control. The dedicated photo tray and auto-document feeder enhance its functionality for photo printing and multi-page scanning tasks. The true-to-phone print quality ensures vibrant, photorealistic results, making it ideal for creative projects or preserving memories. However, the price point may be a bit steep for casual users who don't need high-end photo features. Overall, the Envy Inspire 7955E offers excellent versatility and quality, making it a perfect choice for families or creative enthusiasts who need more than basic functionality. If vibrant photos are your priority, this printer delivers. And finally, at number 1, we have the HP Envy Inspire 7255E Wireless Color Thermal Inkjet Printer, the premium option on our list and the best choice for users who demand top-tier performance. This model excels in printing, scanning, and copying, with seamless mobile and wireless printing features. Print speeds reach up to 15 pages per minute in black and 10 pages per minute in color, and its dual-band Wi-Fi with self-reset ensures uninterrupted connectivity. The design is compact yet robust, featuring a built-in photo tray and Energy Star certification for efficiency. The HP Smart app offers advanced capabilities, including mobile faxing and multi-item recognition for scanning. With the 3-month instant ink trial, you get a head start on ink savings, while HP Plus Smart features provide automatic updates and enhanced security. However, the higher price tag might not suit budget-conscious buyers. For users who require a top-of-the-line printer with exceptional reliability, the Envy Inspire 7255E is unbeatable. Whether you're printing travel documents, recipes, or professional-grade photos, this printer delivers consistent, high-quality results. If your budget allows, this is the one to go for. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.